Imagine those properties being accumulated by a side chick. Our fathers before us was example we have unfortunately not found repulsive. Yet side chicks too, but they mandate them with honesty, hard earned money. Ndezanapenda mashoko buda panguva ino yatikuna kuti panguva ino Thabani Mpofu yakajamuka is not happy pamusoro pemadevelopments ari kuitika panguva ino kwatona kuti the elite people who are surrounding the president, the first family, panguva ino kuti chionekwa kunzi the side chicks panguva ino they are using the state funds vachiacquire properties and doing whatsoever they want. Zviri kushamisa vitu zhinji toti wasubscribe or like on the bell icon. Anandambiri Thabani Mpofu achiti in most cases, the only cost was buying groceries. There was no gross distortion of the village economy. What we are witnessing today is on a completely different and far more destructive scale. It is vulgar. I can almost stand the idea that we live among thieves. What I cannot tolerate is the way stolen wealth has been used to suffocate the future of young, decent, and hardworking professionals. The prices you see in the market are not real. They are artificial, inflated by looted public money and criminal greed. That is why land, housing, and basic property have become impossible for ordinary people to afford. This is not just corruption. It is economic sabotage. It is the hijacking of opportunity. It is the deliberate destruction of a generation's chance to build wealth through honest work. The long-term consequences of this kind of greed are devastating, and if we do not confront it head-on, we are normalizing a system that rewards theft and punishes integrity. We must call this out, resist it, and fight it in the name of justice, fairness, and the future of this country. Toma developments are good panguva ine. In comment section betu mzofungura info tulipa mzuri pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.